Hello, everybody. My name is Soumya, and I am your tarot card reader, healer, and hope you all are doing very good. And welcome to November, and welcome to Sagittarius season. Today I am going to do a Sagittarius reading. Okay, especially for my Sagittarius people. I'm here myself is a Sagittarius, so welcome to my channel, Sagittarius. So let's see what is going on with you at November. Okay, Sagittarius, let's start. In love and in your career, what is there? Let's see. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Sagittarius? What is going on with my Sagittarius? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me. What is going on with my Sagittarius? King of Cups. Okay. What is going on with my Sagittarius? You are a deep thinker, guys. You think very deeply, whatever you think. Okay, right now you are in your king energy. My mostly female are also here in your masculine energy. You want to act like a queen, and most of you are behaving like a king. You are in your head shelf right now. Okay, what is going on with my Sagittarius at November? I got another card, which is Four of Swords. Okay, you guys are tired regarding your past, whatever you had, what was not serving you. Now you are going too far away from that thing. Okay, Sagittarius, this is for you. What is going on in love and in career for my Sagittarians? Spirit, please guide me. Okay, I got another card. King of Swords. See, I told you, you're in king energy right now. King of Cups and King of Swords. Two kings. You're in masculine, my feminine people or feminine women, girls. You are in your king energy, masculine energy, and you are just in your throne right now. You want everything in your way, and you are also handling it very well. Whether it's your career, your partner, you are just doing too good, Sagittarians. Let's see what is there for you more. Your partner could be intellectual for you. They are very sensitive at a time, guys. They are very emotional too for you, and even they want you badly. They deeply think about you in love. For most of you, this person can be very dominated, what I am having a feeling. The Magician. Sagittarian, most of you people are here are magnetic. Most of you are here are magician. You can be a psychic, readers, astrologers, or take what resonates with you. And you are having very magnifying energy, Sagittarians. You can attract anything you want. You are just like magician. Like how magician attracts things, you are magnetic like them. So you are attracting many good things towards you. Okay, so this is you guys. Okay, magicians. Your person must be manifesting you right now. They want you very badly, so they are manifesting you. चाहे वो पास से हो आपके या प्रेजेंट से हो, whether they are from past or present, they are manifesting you very badly right now. They want you very badly with them. They must have left you for some. Now they are also tired and they are deeply thinking about you guys. As I have got two kings, yes, they are deeply thinking about you and they want you very badly, guys. They want you very badly. You can be tired from them, you just give it off, but they want you very badly, or you could do same. It could be vice versa too. What is going on with Sagittarius at November? Angel Spirit, please guide me. See, I feel like most of you Sagittarians are holding on to something regarding your past. Just don't hold. Just be in your king energy, queen energy. Nothing is over, what I feel. Regarding past also, there is something which you are holding a lot. Like you are in a king energy, you want everything in best way, but you are not focusing correctly. Most of you are deeply thinking what to do, what not to do, and you are holding on to your past very badly regarding love, especially. Okay, career, most of you are in King of Swords energy. You are handling very practically everything, Sagittarians. Okay, you are just doing teamwork, most of you, and most of you are handling your own business yourself. Most of you are here psychics, tarot readers, if you are watching this channel. Okay, and most of you here also can be in a creative line. What I am having a feeling, you can be in a creative line, you can be a healer also, doctor or a healer, Sagittarians. And let's see what is more there for you guys. High Priestess, see, I told you, most of you are here psychic. Whatever you are thinking very deeply right now, okay? And your partner, they are also thinking very deeply. Your partner could be intuitive like you, and you are have very high strong intuition, most of you Sagittarians over here, okay? And you both can be opposite from each other, and you both are manifesting each other. Okay, they are doing very badly. They see you as like a queen, king, okay, and you are doing so well, Sagittarius, at November, because this is your season. Most of you are holding on to your past currently, but you have to let go. If you won't let go, it won't come to you, whatever it is. See the world. Most of you are here in a long distance relationship. Okay, I am having a feeling like this person could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn you are dealing with. Okay, currently it could be a same sign, Sagittarians, Pisces. I am having the energy of Libra too, Taurus, Scorpion, World. This is a spiritual connection. This person is already with third parties. Either you're dealing with a married person, you are also separated with a married person right now. You had a breakup in the past, Sagittarians, and most of you, this person is blind towards third parties. They don't know what is going on with them. Okay, your partner is too much stuck with them. They don't know how to come out. They want to come towards to you, but they are with the toxic people, if I say you truly. See how people are around him, how Swords is around him or her is just not letting them go. Right now, your relationship, your work could be just not in a proper line. It is in hangman energy, okay guys? So you guys are literally on hangman energy. Your love life is going on hangman, okay? There are third parties, because see again, third parties, your person could be waiting for you, but third parties is not letting them come to you. Okay, they want to offer you a marriage offer. They can come towards to you this month. Okay, for most of my Sagittarians, your person will come to you this month, especially if the person is from past, or if you are talking to a new one, loved one, they will come with you a love commitment offer. Okay, this could be young energetic men, guy, okay, and definitely they will come towards to you. Right now they are just stalking you on social media all over. Okay, this guy is totally mad, or this girl is totally mad over you. If they have dished you in the past, they will definitely come to you with a marriage offer, because they have a realization what they have lost. For most of you, my Sagittarians over here, you are like a diamond. You are just so precious. You shine like a star. You have that magnetic energy with you. You are very beautiful from inside and outside. You are high priestess, most of you over here. Okay, let's see what there's in love. What's there in love in November with my Sagittarians? This person will definitely come guys. Okay, this can be a twin flame soulmate, for some high level soulmate. Okay, separation. This separation may end because this card came in reverse. So I'll say this separation will end now. So you will be together, you guys. Okay, this separation came in end. You guys are in healing process right now. In November, you guys will definitely be in a reunion. Let's see what's more there. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for November for Sagittarius? For my Sagittarians at November in love. Flirt. Okay, when this person will come, or your person you're thinking of, this person will come with a flirt energy. They want to flirt with you. Okay, for some people you have to be careful. They might play again with you because they are jealous from inside too. Okay, for most of you, you have to lighten your energy to others to flirt. Okay guys, so let's see what is there for more for our Sagittarians. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Sagittarians in love? Okay, I got children. I feel there is third party involved in your situation. For most of you, you could be pregnant while meeting this person, what I felt in the past. For most of you, there was a children involvement. This could person definitely a married person. He could have children, or you could have talked with this person regarding your past for children, having lots of children, or in present you can have some talks for having children with this person at November. Okay guys, and end of the deck is forgiving and learning. I feel you should forgive this person because this person is definitely from past. For some of you, you both are passionate. This person is passionate about you. They love you a lot, and they will definitely give you a marriage offer or an engagement offer because they have a big realization right now that they are not happy with third parties. Angel Spirit, what is overall guidance at November for my Sagittarians? Angel Spirit, please guide me. 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 What is there for November for my Sagittarians? See, I told you, your relationship is in slow process right now. Your person will come to you very slowly. Okay. It is not a race, guys. They will definitely come towards you at divine timing. So right now they are slowing down. Most of your person are in earning, and most of your person are in stuck with third parties. Okay guys, so it is that. Let's see what is more. Projection. Your person shows you something else in front, and at far they show you something else. They love you, but they are not happy with third parties, but still they fight with you a lot, and most of you are struggling in this thing. Okay, right now they can love you for most of you, and most of you they are lying. But in this situation for Sagittarians, I'll say your person definitely love you, whoever it is, whomsoever you are thinking of. Okay, so it is like that. Or you could be in same energy, vice versa, for your career or in love. You are also slowing down. Same. Let's see what is there for you overall energy in love and career. Sagittarians. What is there for my Sagittarians at November? I got many cards, guys. Okay, I'll take slowly. There is the Fool. You will make a decision. You will take a leap of faith. Right now you are at full energy. Okay, so you will definitely take a leap of faith, or your person could take a leap of faith for you. Okay, ordinariness. You guys are extraordinary, but right now you are at rest. You are living in ordinary zone. Okay, most of you are clinging to the past. What I told you, are holding to your past. It came same again, so you have to get out of your past energy, and your person is also holding on to you. That's why your most of the thing is getting postponed. Okay, I told you, you are the master, see, the master card queen. So you have to manifest your dreams. You have a magnifying energy, guys. आप अगर से मैनिफेस्ट नहीं करेंगे या अगर आपकी इंट्यूशन है तो आप प्लीज़ उसका इस्तेमाल कीजिए. प्लीज़ यूज़ इट. ओके, यू आर द मास्टर्स, माई सैजिटेरियंस. ओके, होप you all love my reading. Please let me know on comment box section if it resonated with you, my Sagittarians. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you on my next reading for my another more zodiac signs for November. Bye-bye.